You can see back here, guys, I got some things laid out. I had to get a new backup camera, so I went out and got that. Boy, he's got his music going real quick, don't he? You heard that? He put a new speaker in there, guys. That's what he's doing. So, okay. This is the new AirMaxxx 580 air compressor we picked up. Come with the leader line and this check valve right here. I had to get some fittings because it's 3/8 1/4 inch inlet in the tank, so I had to get those fittings worked in. You can see here we have a relay. Over there is a pressure switch we added. We put in a capacitor and a battery. As you can see here, I have some different terminals. That's why, guys, that's not right. We got to get that right. But we're going to come over here. I'm going to show you the relay and the pressure switch for this. Let's see. The relay here, guys, that gives me power in from an accessory power, and it has a power in from the battery. And what that allows me to do here is the power in from the battery is what supplies power to the compressor. The power from the accessory is what is causing this relay to switch. What this relay is, it's a magnetic switch in here. So it's separated. There's a plate inside here, and there's like a little metal piece wrapped in copper, and there's a little plate up here that closes the switch. So it'll tick, tick, and close the switch. So when it has power from the accessory, when it's given the power from there, which comes out of the pressure switch, and I'll show you that here in a second, guys. So when it has accessory power, it turns the switch on, which gets power from the battery and then sends it to here. There's a ground on here. It goes off to the ground post, guys. Now, I showed you this. This is the air pressure switch. The power from the accessory is coming into here, and the output to here is going into the relay accessory. So what it does is at 120 psi or below, this will cause the compressor to kick on, and it will run up to 150 psi and turn itself automatically. Now, the reason I say accessory power here, you can run this on a constant power, but at 1 o'clock in the morning, if you have a leak or something in your tank, your truck's not running or whatever, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning while everybody's sleeping, you're going to hear brrrr, your compressor starts running. That's because it has power all the time. So with having it from an accessory power, what it is, it's only if the key is on. If the key's in and the truck is running, or it's in the accessory position, that's the only way that this will get power then. So only if the truck is on will it get power and turn the switch on to turn on the compressor. We also put this little piece in. We'll come over here to the other side, guys, and we'll check that out a little bit. That is a water catch. Let's see. And this will catch water in the system. And it just filters it out to keep it out of the manifold, water and little particles and debris, like if the tank's rust inside and there's little chunks of rust that come out. This will filter and catch them and keep them out of the manifold to keep the particles out. Because if you have particles or whatever build up in the manifold or inside the manifold rust itself, you're going to have leaky valves. It's not going to work right, guys. So this is real good to have. This is on the end of the run of the tanks. It also has, excuse my language, guys, but a drain cock. And you can drain it if you have a lot of water build up, or if you need to drain the air out of it. There you go. I'll quit playing with my drain cock. This is one of the old wires that was left in the system. This is actually just ran up to the battery to constant power. I left this on so it doesn't fall back through the hole until I can get to it and get it back out of here. So that wire needs to go. There's a few more things that need to be tidied up back here for that, but that's the air right here on the MiniTruck. We added the extra battery and the capacitor from the stereo. The capacitor, I'll be honest, guys, doesn't really do a whole lot by itself, but it does have a voltage readout. If the voltage on the truck changes or whatever, you'll be able to see it here. So that's kind of neat, something different to look at. But it makes for a good power terminal. It does, but it might help a little bit. But the main thing is the battery in here. That will definitely help with the voltage for the compressor and extend its life, make it air up quicker and always run. So pretty much this is an always air system, guys. Every time I come out, I can hit the switch in my truck and I'm ready to go. I don't have to wait for air or wait for it to build up or pump up. I come out and there's air in the system, and if I use so much air and it drops below 120 psi, clicks on itself, pumps it up to 150. I don't have to worry about it shutting off or my compressor overheating. Shuts it off at 150 and it's over. So the next time I hit the switch, I have air. So 120 psi is enough to lift the front way up, plenty high enough to drive, and then some. So lots of air, lots of air. The back only takes like 30 psi, 40 psi at most maybe. So really doesn't take a whole lot of air in the back of this truck up. So this gives us plenty of air for the air ride system, which is a good thumbs up, guys. This is finally in a lot better order. Right here, check this. This is the backup camera. I had to go get another one. I think the one I got is broke, not working. So we're gonna get this in back here, guys. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna mount it at. I'm gonna work those little fine details out as I'm doing it, but that will give us a video in here to our screen that pops out here and our drop down screen here. So that'll give us a good view. This will be our rear view mirror, so to speak. So we'll be able to see all that. DVD player in the dash. So that's cool, guys. That's what we're working on. That's what we got so far with the air ride on the mini truck. It's definitely coming along. Keep on watching, keep on trapping, keep an eye out for that. Here it is. We got the Trump truck out here. Man, we got to get way back to get this thing. This thing's huge. We got to get way back here to get this thing in. Look at that. He's got his flags flying, guys. Look at this. Huge, huge exhaust. I think he said it's like a 10-inch exhaust pipe. Look at this. Damn. That's nuts. Kills me. You guys can read. I ain't even got to repeat it. I know it's backwards, but you already know. And there he goes. He's got a bow tie up there. Chevy gang. He got his door panel off. He replacing the speaker. His other one was shot. We hooked him up with this one. I don't know if you know it lights up blue or not, but do you know it lights up blue? Yeah. I don't think you have to connect the wires. I don't know. It might do it automatically. But yeah, you'll be sounding good. You gonna do the other side too? Probably. Yeah, I would. They'll sound good. They'll scream in there. Oh, you gotta take your girlfriend some food? Well, that's nice of you. Damn. He's taking her some food, guys. That's pretty nice. Speaking of food, now he's making me hungry. There's the Blazer. We definitely need to take this out, guys. Give Justin Hunsberger and the Trump truck a big shout out, a big thumbs up. President Trump still showing love, still supporting. That's how it is, guys. Facebook probably banned this video. I told him, give you a thumbs up, give you some love, give the Trump truck some love. We're giving it to Donald Trump, and I said Facebook will probably ban this video. They will. It's so bad. But anyway, guys, that's what we're out here doing. It's nice, it's warm, it's mostly cloudy, I'd say, but it's not raining on us, so I'll take it. We're out here enjoying the warm weather. This is what we've been waiting on, guys. We'll definitely see you guys all in the next clip. This is 10 minutes of video. We're putting this to an end. What do we tell them at the end of the video, Justin?